So a dairy farm out of Wisconsin is going to be able to milk 250 cows a day, 3 times a day, with a new robotic technology that they have. The reason being is that they want to use less labor. Here's my question. Why don't they use the refugees? I mean, come on, they need jobs like you keep on posting. The other thing is out of Florida. A Australian firm is going to be making 50,000 homes a year. So if they're making all these homes, why do we need all these refugees? If they're not going to have no jobs, no hope, no future like the rest of us Americans. Think about it.